Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special to discuss. The 1979 Elizabeth III 5 new pence coin. If you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the value and history of this coin, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, get started. The 1979 Elizabeth III 5 new pence coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Not only is it a beautifully designed piece, but it also carries a fascinating history. Let's begin by exploring its design and significance. The obverse of the coin features a young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by renowned artist Arnold Machine. This elegant portrayal became one of the most iconic representations of the Queen and was used on British coins for many years. On the reverse side, you'll find a beautiful depiction of a thistle, the national flower of Scotland, designed by Christopher Ironside. Now, let's talk about the specifications of the coin. The 5 new pence coin, minted in 1979, is made of cupro-nickel, a durable and corrosion-resistant alloy commonly used in coin production. It has a diameter of 2359 m and weighs 5.65 grams, making it a substantial and visually appealing piece. To understand the value of this coin, we must consider the historical context. In 1979, the United Kingdom was undergoing significant political, and this coin was part of a series introduced during a time of economic transition, making it a symbol of the era. Many factors influence the value of a coin, such as its rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. As of my knowledge, Q-Toff in 2021, a circulated 1979 Elizabeth I 5 new pence coin is worth its face value or slightly above, especially to collectors interested in completing their set. However, if you happen to have a coin in mint condition or an error variant, its value could be considerably higher. In conclusion, the 1979 Elizabeth I 5 new pence coin is not just a piece of currency, it's a tangible slice of history and a collector's delight. Whether you're a numismatist or someone intrigued by the past, this coin offers a captivating glimpse into the United Kingdom's heritage. Remember, the world of coin collecting is vast and exciting, so keep exploring and Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. If you have any questions or want to share your own coin collecting experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of numismatics. Until next time, happy collecting.